Come test drive the 2013 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, four-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.